I'm Peter Morse and I'm a master fly casting instructor with more than 50 years of fly fishing experience.
And I'm Justin Duggan. I'm a certified casting instructor and I'm also a fly fishing guide with decades of experience. Now, if you're into fly fishing or you'd like to learn fly fishing, we have something very exciting for you coming up this winter.
Fly fishing is a lifetime journey and no one ever got better at it without some instruction and putting in the time. In our view, fly casting defines the sport of fly fishing. If you can't cast competently, you'll struggle to catch fish. But good fly casting can be exhilarating in itself. There's also a range of other skills we can develop without actually going fishing. Casting is at the top of the list, but our Learn to Fly Fish days cover much more than just casting. Knots, rigs, retrieves, fishing techniques and tackle such as rods, reels and fly lines, and a host of other subjects will be addressed by us. We have the experience. So whether beginner or advanced, our days will have plenty for you. Why not join us for our midwinter Learn to Fly Fish days at the International Regatta Centre in Penrith, developing casting and fly fishing skills. You have much to gain in fly fishing by becoming the best caster you can possibly be.